It is true we went to Mandera, and I thanked Senator Roba for the good work they've done in planting trees within Mandera Township. I then made a recommendation to my Senator Haji that if there's a possibility, without overloading the bill, let us look at who is going to be actually in charge of the management of this forest or any of the tree planting that we are going to do. I also raised the issue that we need to lay emphasis on environmental studies, whether it's environmental law, whether it's environmental civic education within our schools. I believe that can come into this bill. I also raised that even when we are seriously considering passing this bill and our counties are what is most important, I am also suggesting that Honorable Haji would look at if we can create environmental regional bodies that would be interlinked and interfaced from one county to the other, for the simple reason that what flows, for example, from Kisii County very easily moves to Migori County and very easily goes to Homa Bay County, because we are all county neighborhoods. And my suggestion is that if there was a way, we make sure that the trees that would recommend to be planted in these areas are trees that are going to be sustainable. The other point that I wanted to really suggest, Mr. Speaker, onto this bill is that last year there was an issue that I brought a motion onto the floor of this House, and I said that I think it's high time that we create botanical gardens within our counties, either within our municipalities or townships. I also made a suggestion that these botanical gardens would then would be allocated land by the county governments, where we plant trees who have got medicinal values, that have got general values, whether they were food. There were some trees which I remember in the county of Kisii, where I grew up, would be utilized to make sure that they cover for the sun, or when we planted coffee and